To check your transaction history on Venmo, follow these simple steps to easily access your past payments and requests. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to the menu. Tap on the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner of the app. This will open the main navigation menu. Step 3. Select Manage Balance. In the menu, look for the option labeled Manage Balance or Account. Tap on it to proceed to your account settings where you can find transaction details. Step 4. Access Transaction History. Within the account settings, find and select the Transaction History option. This will display a list of all your past transactions, including payments sent and received. Step 5. Review and filter transactions. You can scroll through your transaction history to review all activities. Use any available filters to narrow down the transactions by date or type if needed. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Venmo. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your spending and manage your finances effectively.